Hi guys, welcome to Graphics IT Career Cafe. Today we will take a look at 4 reasons why Python is a great language to learn if you are looking to build a career in the information technology sector. Generally, we Indians, after completing engineering graduation, look for jobs either in the IT sector or government sector. Lots of people these days learn technologies which are currently trending in the market, but they do not have awareness of other technologies which are also available like Python, which are in great demand. Generally, a lot of people miss out on opportunities in the field of Python due to lack of awareness and guidance. Just in how demand is Python, recently an Indian MNC company landed a project worth $200 million, but they couldn't find enough experts in Python in India and they had to pay foreign freelancers more money than the project was worth just to deliver the product. Before we look at why one should learn Python, let's take a quick look at the history and overview of Python. Python was started in the late 1980s and it is named after a comedy series, Monty Python. Python programming is used in developing games, web applications, network servers, media tools, and scientific computing. Experts in the field of machine learning and data analytics are also interested in Python, as many of the tools that they use are coded in the Python language. Now, let's take a look at the 4 reasons why you should strongly consider learning Python to build a career in the information technology sector. So the first factor to consider when you want to learn Python is its readability. Python is very easy to learn, handy to read and write, and a very flexible language. Python very closely resembles English language, and if you are reading another coding language, for instance, you may not be able to easily understand what's written. However, since Python is very familiar to the English language, it's much simpler to understand. But its simplicity doesn't mean that Python is not powerful. Several organizations, for instance NASA, Google, Facebook, all these guys, they use Python to build the various tools their products run on. Python also has a set of rules known as PEP8 which determine how the code is formatted. Due to these rules, code written in Python, whether it is by a novice or an expert, looks very familiar and is very easy to read. Python is also a very expressive language. Code which generally may take 5 or 6 lines to write in a different language will generally only take 2 or 3 lines to write in Python. The second reason to consider studying Python is the libraries which are available for it. Python has been in existence for almost 30 years, and in all this time a lot of people have written code in it. Since Python is an open source language, this code has also been made available to others. You can access this code by following the link that's on your screen. There are libraries available for pretty much any use case scenario you can come up with. For instance, from image manipulation to server automation to scientific calculations. The third point in favor of learning Python is the communities. Python user groups, generally called PUGs, exist across the world, and a lot of conferences on Python are conducted on all the continents excepting for Antarctica. Python conferences are conducted on a regular basis as it has a vibrant group of developers who are constantly working on Python. One example of such a summit is PyCon NA. The fourth point to consider for learning Python is the career opportunities. Expertise in Python allows one to build careers in the fields of software programming, data analytics, web and game development. Also, the demand for Python experts in India is rising, but the supply is not meeting that current demand. As a result, now is the right time to learn Python to make a career in the IT industry. So guys, to summarize, the 4 points on why you should learn Python are its readability, the large number of libraries available for Python, its large base of communities, and the career opportunities it presents in India. So guys, I hope that this video has explained to you why you should learn Python programming. Please do stay subscribed to our channel, as we will come up with more videos with interesting tips about how to master Python and interesting facts and how Python language can be useful to you. So do subscribe.